and lovely, welcome back to Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing, guys. You know what happened earlier? What I did earlier, I simply put this is some watermelon and this is some spinach, yeah? And I just pop them straight inside of the blender, a little bit more easier for me. Alright, guys, so what we're going to do is simply pop off a piece of a ginger, and I'm going to just cut up a little piece of a ginger and put it straight inside of it like this. And I'm gonna put a little bit of water. Also, we're gonna put roughly about a tablespoon of honey. Nice one. Pop a little bit more liquid. It's just to free up the blender. And what I'm going to do is to blend this. So this one is going to be spinach, ginger, watermelon, and lemon. And very nice and simple. Nice and lovely. So that looked good, but I will give it a couple more minutes. Nice one. All right, so that's finished. Get my glass. Sometimes I do strain it and another time I don't strain it because I'm going to be leaving the fiber in this one. All right, guys, so that looking lovely and nice. And as you can see, so that's the one where I make. That one is spinach, watermelon, ginger, honey, and you just blend it. All right, so you can enjoy this one, but look at this one I'm going to make again. Nice one. So basically this one is going to be simple. I got some raspberry and I'm going to pop it straight inside of my blender like this. Alright, this is some raspberry. And like how it's coming up to Valentine, you need to have a lot of red stuff on the table. Alright. Very nice. I love my raspberry. Nice one. That is so beautiful and nice. And all I'm going to do is get some milk. And as I say, it's coming up to Valentine, so it's good to have a few red stuff on the table. Let's put some milk in it like this. Little bit of honey. If you want, you can put some ice, or you can put some hot chocolate in it. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of hot chocolate. Not too much. Cover it. And we're going to blend this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Nice and lovely. So that's finished. Now we're going to share this. These are my favorite drink. I love these drinks. And it smells so yummy. Look at that. That is beautiful and nice, guys, and I want you guys to enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming, as you can see. Very easy and simple to make at home, and I know you guys can make this one at home not difficult, very easy and very simple to make. And not only that, we will be coming with a lot more recipe and a lot more ideas with things. So as you can see right here, it's coming up to Valentine, so let's put something on Valentine table. Please enjoy it and subscribe, leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. See you next time. Bye bye.